Hey everybody! I am pouring on this 18-inch MDF round, and the colors I'm using are Liquitex Deep Violet with Iridescent Medium, Prussian Blue, Payne's Gray, Violet, and gold mica powder mixed with some gold paint and iridescent medium. So it's got lots of shine. So I'm going to do a Dutch pour, hairdryer pour, whatever you want to call it. Let me take the lids off. And then I'll pour my white, which is house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. My chair is creaky. Hopefully you can't hear that. But if you hear a weird creaky noise, it's my chair. It is Saturday. I don't know what day you'll be viewing this, but it's another dreary, gloomy day. I don't think the sun is ever coming out again. There's little things that I don't want in there. Torch these air bubbles out. Okay. My violet, Payne's Gray, gold, Prussian Blue, which also is iridescent medium, and deep violet, which is so pretty. And I'm going to circle this with some more white. Alrighty. So pretty. I love how you can see just hints of the gold throughout. And then this whole area is going to be really iridescent-y. I think that's a word. It is now. take my gloves off so I can bring it over. Ooh, I love it. I love this area right here. And look at the depth of color. The gold coming out. Very cool. Got some pearl cells coming out. Successful piece, if I do say so myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.